Kaizer Chiefs sporting director Kaizer Motaung Jr. has cleared the air on the swirling rumors about Arthur Zwane potentially stepping into a new role within the team. Recent speculation suggested that Zwane might replace Fernando da Cruz as Nasruddin Nabi's second assistant. However, Junior Motaung put these rumors to rest in a candid interview with Robert Marawa on Radio 947. Gina Motaung clarified and said, no, he doesn't. Zwane, who is currently making waves as the senior academy coach, will remain firmly rooted in his academy role. Motaung Jr. expressed frustration over how social media speculation can stir unnecessary drama and said it's challenging when rumors spread and create unnecessary energy around the team. But there's no truth to these rumors at all. As for the coaching staff, Chiefs are not left in a lurch, despite De Cruz's planned exit to join the Royal Moroccan Football Federation, a move Chiefs have agreed to. Khalil Ben Yusuf remains on board as an assistant coach. Ben Yusuf's previous work with Nabi at Asfar and Young African continues to be an asset to the team. Motaung Jr. also addressed the current status of Da Cruz's departure, noting that while the offer from Morocco is in play, some administrative details are still being ironed out, and said if Moroccan Royal Federation formally requests him, we won't stand in anyone's way. We value the caliber of staff we've brought on board and are committed to building a strong technical team. In summary, while the departure of Da Cruz is not yet finalized, Amakos are focused on moving forward with clarity and purpose. Motaung Jr. assured fans that more details will be shared once everything is confirmed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.